That big rock, kind of come around this way and then go. Otherwise, you go try to go straight. You're gonna get one up on that big rock. Okay, if you can pass it. Just stay on top. I want to be careful that diagonal. Perfect. Nice. So you're going to have to come to the right.
Yeah.
You're on the pumpkin on the front. You're going to have to go to the kick it to the right. Passenger. Okay. I think you can turn it to the passenger. Okay. A little bit there. Come up. You're hitting on the spring on this side, and you're dumping the tire into a big rock. That's what you kept hitting. Passenger. Backside of the spring. Watch it, you got a pointy one on that side. This way. Turn it this way. Okay, you're on a big rock over there on the other side. You're climbing up on a big flat rock. And it comes this way. Okay, come this way. From here, you're gonna sink down into this and stay high on the other side. You're in that hole, and you're on the spring in the front. You're not even on. Hold on. Just go back up in the hole there. You gotta try to come forward now. No, you're hung up. You're hung up on the front line. Maybe try. Driveway is not on. The pump is not on. Maybe try to come forward a little bit. See what happens. Okay. All right. You need to go this way. I think he needs to come this way. Straight out. That log there used to be in that hole. There you go. Hole in the back. Keep going. That's what I was nervous about. I kept sliding this way. You're good now. That's the hard part. I'll do this one back. It's easier for me to get up on it this way. If I have a problem over there. Yeah, what? That's all right. I get a little close. Flash it backwards. See if people.
Got a hole over here.
That one rock. Otherwise, you're going to get the spring to hook up on it. Now, try to come. You know, you're going to have to come like one of those things where it's this way and then that way. Otherwise, you're going to hit that rock. That's what I was worried about. The only thing that we can do is just throw something over there.
If he could bump over that one right there in front of him.
One?
I think he's getting hung up on that one right there in that little hole.
Well, when he could, yeah, that one there, he's getting hung up over there. But when he goes, it keeps sliding this way. So it's almost like he's got to go like right here the way you.
Yeah, or come. Once he gets his tire there, then shoot this way. Come down this way.
Yeah, so he's almost got to turn passenger to come this way to get up on that one rock.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to turn passenger some so that you can get your tire on the log and the rock, so that you can get over it. Okay, now you're on.
Too much?
No. Now you're on
the spring on this side.
Now you're on that spring on that side.